shared vision, and it must be a positive vision. It must talk about your success, not somebody else's failure. If you make a vision for your success, it happens. It happens. Great God Ganesh is my Param Daivat. When I start my prayers in the morning, I say Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi, Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi, Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi, Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi, Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi, Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam. Great God. What does it say? Or how do I interpret it? I'm not a Sanskrit Pandit, but I know Sanskrit a little bit. I have learned Sanskrit. It says, oh God, you're great. You are the principle of this universe. You are the creator of all good things on this earth. You are the creator of all good things, all positive things, and you are destroyer of all evil things. You are destroyer of obstacles, difficulties, problems, worries, concerns, what have you. And therefore, oh God, this principle of this universe, I bow before you. I say that prayer once that way. Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi, Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi, Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi, Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi, Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi, Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam. And I say it otherwise then. Am Pratyaksham Brahmamat. Am Kevalam Kartasi. I am not challenging the God. It's not a statement I am making in arrogance. I am saying, oh God, Devadi Deva, Ganapati Deva, तुमसे बढ़कर कौन और तुम्हारे भक्तजनों में हमसे बढ़कर कौन हमको भी बड़ा बनना है आपके जैसा बड़ा बनना है oh God allow me make me help me create my own future I must create my future empower me to create my future empower me to take care of my own problems worries difficulties obstacles what you have and empower me in such a way that I must say, what a great human being I am. That's the pride in myself. Create something in me, create that passion in me, help me become that guy who feels proud about himself. And that's the real sense of pride. My dear friends, I want each one of you to carry that biggest sense of pride for yourself. Be successful. Be successful. And the last, but not the least, and I will just take 2 more minutes. And Mr. Wakalkar said it beautifully. He used the word mentor. You know, in this corporate journey, or for that matter, any journey in life, it's always good to have a mentor. A mentor who can be your guide, friend, and philosopher. Who can at times, in times of your down, when your antenna is down, your motivation is down, he cheers you up, he or she. Or he guides you. And it can happen to everybody. All of us at some point of time in life get confused. Arjun got confused on the battlefield. He said, Karpanya dosho aprata svabha, pruchami tvam dharma sammuda cheta, yachriya sanishchitam buhitanmay, shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. He said, oh God, I am confused. I am a great Dhanurdhar. He was the best Dhanurdhar of his time. No one was better than him. He was the learned Pandit. He almost knew everything, every philosophy of life. And he says, I don't know what to do now. And oh God, I need a mentor like you. And then came Bhagavad Gita. Well, we need to find a mentor. And you can get a mentor in the organization easily. Find a mentor. And if nothing else, come to Indira Institute for mentorship. And believe you, and it's my assurance to each one of you, I am willing to be your mentor. At any point of time, if you need any guidance, any help, any advice, any suggestion, any cheering up, I'll be there. My email ID and my mobile numbers would be available with Madhuri Madam. And I'm already a mentor to several students. Every year I take 15 to 20 mentors from Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute. MDI Gurgaon had given me a batch of students for mentoring. I am willing to be your mentor, but please find a mentor. Just to recapitulate what I said, must have a vision, a very positive vision, simple vision. In words it can be simple. It could be as quit India, wonderful. It really galvanized the masses. Create a vision for you. Create a vision for you and write it down. Preferably write it down. Share it with your parents. Share it with your girlfriend or a boyfriend, no problem. If you share so many other things, why not share a good vision also? Take his or her inputs. Commit yourself to that vision. With vision, create your what we call balanced scorecard. What must happen when? Milestones. Create your milestones. You maybe say that I would like to get married when I am 28. Perfectly all right. Say that I would like to go to honeymoon to some exotic place. Nothing wrong with your money, not father-in-law's money. Huh? Create those milestones. I interview people and sometimes I get very happy with the answers. And people tell me, somebody said, look, I know I'm very clear about where I'm going to have my 25th marriage anniversary. Very, very clear plan. He said, come what may, that's my plan. There are people who plan their life and they succeed. They are always successful. So once again, to recapitulate, have a vision, commit yourself to that vision, create that force of making that vision happen, have a good mentor. There will be times when you will feel down, chips will be down, life is not going to be that very easy. The corporate world is very, very difficult. I don't want to discourage you, but it's also very interesting. It's very encouraging. You will succeed. I have succeeded. Most of us have succeeded. I'll be concluding this little speech to you, saying finally, all the very best to you. Grow, do well. Thank you.
I request Chetan sir to facilitate our chief guest with a memento. As we celebrate the special occasion of convocation for 11-13 batch, I'm sure it's a moment of joy for you, your family and your friends. I hope that you'll always look up this moment and remember fondly for the rest of your lives. So let's begin the announcement of outstanding awards in academics for all super achievers of batch 11-13. Let's start with the achievers of Indira Global Business School. Marketing goes to Adarsh Ranganyakula. I request Chetan sir to confer the award. The Outstanding Student Award in Finance goes to Akash Agarwal. I request Madhuri ma'am to confer the award. Outstanding Student Award in HR goes to Sonal Nair. For the Outstanding Student Award. The overall Outstanding Student Award of IGBS goes to Lakhan Lande.
have the Outstanding Awards in Academics of Indira Institute of Management. The Outstanding Award in Marketing goes to Nilesh Kalmeg. So I request Ashish Malhotra to collect. Manali Paprunia. So I request Safia Nahid to collect the award on her behalf. The Outstanding Award in HR goes to Lekika Sharma. And now, the award all IMP students are waiting for. Overall Outstanding Award. The overall Outstanding Award of IMP goes to Manali Paprunia.
It's now time for Outstanding Award in Academics, ISBS. The Outstanding Student Award for PGDM Marketing is, any guesses? Yes, Ketan Kirar. First shift PGDM batch. The Outstanding Student Award in Marketing goes to Anshu Jain. Goes to Shikha Man. Goes to Manali Sinha. Now, moving on to the second shift PGDM Awards. The award for Outstanding Student in Marketing goes to Mohit Batra. Goes to Parki Priyanka Dilip. for Outstanding Student Finance goes to Niket Chandak. Marketing and Logistics goes to Ankita Dalvi. Unfortunately, Niket Chandak and Ankita Dalvi could not be present with us today due to prior engagements. So I request their friends to please collect the awards from the ISBS reception. Goes to Diwakar Mishra. For the ISBS batch, the overall outstanding student award. The overall outstanding student award of ISBS goes to. Come on, guys, any guesses? Yes, Ketan Kirad.
I request the dignitaries to stay on the stage for the next segment of awards, please. ISBS was established as a professional school in the year 2006 to meet the growing needs of the business sector with the explicit vision to provide sustainable impetus to the corporate and entrepreneurial abilities in the youth. To encourage entrepreneurship awards, we now move on to the next segment, Youth Entrepreneurship Awards. These awards are being conferred onto the selected alumni on the basis of certain outstanding parameters. So, the first Youth Entrepreneurship Award goes to Mr. Harshvardhan Deodhar. Mr. Harshvardhan is an active partner in EduGate and Home Chef. He has done PGDM marketing in 2006-2008 batch from ISBS. He has worked with media industry for over 6 years with major brands like Star TV, Sub TV, etc. Then, he left the industry to satisfy his appetite for entrepreneurship, so ventured into 2 different fields. He is a partner in EduGate, a training and tutoring institute, and expanding in the field of online portal business. He is also a partner in House Chef, which has made its mark by sharing homemade delicacies with customers. I request Mr. Harshvardhan to come on stage. Unfortunately, Mr. Harshvardhan couldn't be present today, so I request Mr. Sumit Shah and